I'm not going to hide nothing from you. I don't have a file. I'm going to use these. And I'm going to try to scale that down a little bit so that I can slide that thing out. And I can feel it. I can see it scoring it. I can see it scoring it down. I can't feel anything, but I can see it scoring it down. Now, let's see if that'll slip out. Nope. Will not. Just a little tighter on it. It's like you're having little valves things on there. So it'll give me a drill and go woo. Drill that thing out. Not drill it out, but file it down. This is not working, so I may have to go. To the store to get a file. There it goes, but that ain't right either. You don't want any play in that, guys. I don't know how far I should go. Let's keep scrubbing on it till it comes down. See, what I'll do is I'll probably get the drill and turn that thing around and around and around until it gets, you know. Don't worry, guys. I know what I'm doing. I've been fooling with cars a long time. Yes, I have made some mistakes. That's for sure. So be it. Before we put it back in, we make sure we clean it down real good. But we got it out of there. We do not want end play there, and I will not be taking that out. Take this. I'm gonna put mine back on here like this, like that, and put it in the bag. Then I think he removed this, right? Yes. Whoa! What happened there? Something came out of something somewhere. Okay, well anyway, he removed this and put it back in the bucket. Then he removed this. Okay, we're gonna need an extension for that one. I need a short extension. I didn't know it'd be over here under my food. Put the 13 inch back. Oh man, I know it just takes a long time, but that's all right. Just take your time with it, and you should be fine if you take your time with it. Oh, be careful now. Gotta be careful. That's the reason why it's best to have some leverage. If you can get some leverage, get the leverage. Leverage is good to have. Let me restabilize this transmission here. Because I do not want it to fall on me. Get over here. Do you like to pull or do you like to push when you tighten it? I like to pull. Oh, see, force. See that force? That force. That force. That force just released and caused me to hurt myself. Sometimes I forget about that. And these things here are sharp. I have no idea why this transmission won't go in reverse. It's locked into place for some reason. Why, I don't know, but I don't know if I plan on buying any new stuff or not now. Once again, this guy, I don't know if this screw is going to be in the way or not, but I'm going to put my screw back. He puts his in the box. I'm going to put mine back. Mainly because I want to go back in the same spot and I don't want to lose them or forget them. I'm just going to pull it down as long as it'll go. Kids and I, we went to a paintball party the other day. I think I have it, a copy of what happened somewhere on my YouTube channel there. I think I look pretty stupid. I think the kids had themselves a good time though. I know I did. You should do it sometime. Alright, I just put that back. That's all I did. Alright, so let's put this back in the bucket. Alright, so now that we got that taken care of, got that taken care of, got that taken care of, I think the next thing was this. Now, he had a big 3/4 inch socket, or he used a screwdriver. And he turned his machine over on its side. I suppose I could do it. Let's do it. Let's turn it over on the side. Let's pray that the bench holds up. Alright. Seems pretty stable. One thing we're trying to do is just get this out. He was holding against his. He was pulling the wires. Seems rather risky to pull against those wires. But exactly what it said do. No, not there. There you go. Just like you said. I'm telling you guys, he's good. There's a wiring harness. It's not a big deal. Although these wires, this connector here, now I'm not sure. When I was putting my wires back together, you guys go and take a look at the videos. I don't remember checking all of the wires. I don't remember checking all of them, so I'll either have to buy another harness or check all these wires. And I hate to go back into that wiring setup, but if I have to, I will. All right, we're done. We're done with that part. Let's put the transmission back where it was. And stabilize it. Okay guys, that does it. We've done that part. Now let's go on to the next part. See what he says do. I'll talk to y'all later. You know, I don't know if I'm going to video his part or not. I might not.